All right, today's notes cover the polygon exterior angles. So the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. Always, always, always. If we want to find one of the exterior angles, I would divide 360 by the number of sides. So I said always, always, always. So it doesn't matter if it has 15 sides, 22 sides, or it's a dodecagon. The sum of the measures of the exterior angles is always 360 degrees. So if I want to find a regular polygon, the measure of one of the exterior angles, well, one angle, I know a triangle has 3 sides. I would take 360 and divide it by 3, and that would give me 120. A 15gon has 15 sides. 360 divided by 15 is 24. I did the math earlier. And then an octagon has 8 sides, so 380, how about 360 divided by 8? That's 45 degrees. The measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon is given. What is the name of the polygon? Well, if one of the measures is 90, well then 360 divided by 90 would give me 4. This is a quadrilateral. Abbreviate. All right, if one of the angles is 20, well, 360 divided by 20, 36 divided by 2, this is an 18gon. It doesn't have a name, a special name. And then in example number 9, I would take 360 divided by 40, and let's see, that would be a 9gon or a nonagon. That would have 9 sides, right? Okay, so we said earlier that the sum adds to 360. So if I added up each of these guys, that's going to add to 360. All right, so let's start doing that. I'll start with this angle here, and then I'll just go counterclockwise. So 2x plus 4x plus x minus 4 plus 3x plus 2x plus 10 plus 3x minus 6. I think that's all of them. That adds to 360. Okay, so now let's combine our like terms. So let's see, the 2x and 4x makes 6, that makes 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is 15x, and now let's add the constants. Minus 4 plus 10 is 6, minus 6 is 0. So this just is 15x equals 360. If I divide both sides by 15, x is going to equal to 24. Okay, so that's what x is. If I want to find out what, let's see, the y is. Okay, so let's plug in, and the y is kind of hard to see. It's right here. Here's the y. Okay, so if I know my x is 24, this is 2 times 24 plus 10. 48 plus 10 is 58. Okay, so I want the supplement of 58 because that's a straight line. 180 minus 58. And let's see, 8, 7, 2, 1, how about 122? So y is equal to 122. All right, in number 13, we've got the three exterior angles. We know that those are going to add to 180. Okay, so I've got this time x plus 110 plus 165. I meant to say 360. I don't know why I said the wrong thing. So x plus, how about 275 is equal to 360. And if I subtract 275, x is going to equal 85. And that's all I have to do for this try, for number 13. In 14, okay, so in this one, this is a pentagon, so we know it has 5 sides. What is the sum of the interior angles? Not the exterior angles. This was from yesterday. 180 and minus 2. Remember that? Don't forget so fast. 180, 5 minus 2, so 180 times 3. And that's going to give us 540. That means when we add up these 5 angles, that's going to give us 540. We've got to figure out what this missing one is. So let's take these 4 to Desmos, and then we'll subtract from 540. Okay, so Desmos, let's see, 122 plus 131 plus 94 plus 115 is 462. If I want to subtract that from 540 to find out that last angle, that's 78. So here's what I'm looking at. This angle on the inside is 78. Okay, now I just need to find the supplement. This is a straight line, so let's subtract 180 minus 78, and that's 102. That angle on the outside is 102. Okay, so if we have a square, we have 4 sides. That's 2 triangles. And remember from our diagram from yesterday, the sum of the interior angles is 360. 360 divided by 4 gives us 1 interior angle at 90. The sum of the exterior angles is also 360, and 1 exterior angle is 90. On a hexagon, we have 6 sides, and remember it was n minus 2 to get the triangles, and then to find the sum of the interior angles, that is going to be n minus 2 times 180, and that is 720. If I divide that by 6, that gives me 120. The sum of the oh my goodness, let's just write 360 for all of these because it's true. Always it's 360. So the sum of the exterior angles, well, how are these two related? Well, remember they are linear pairs. So this has to be 60. Go back over here. Here's your interior angle, here's your exterior angle. These are always supplementary. All right, next is a heptagon. That's 7, so I have 5 triangles, and 900 is the sum of my interior angles. If I divide, then that's 128.6. The supplement is 51.4. These are supplementary. All right, now last example, that's 11 sides, 9 triangles. 1620 is the sum of the interior angles. 1 of the interior angles, divide that by the number of sides, you get 147.3. And the supplement is 32.7.